pursue the fellowship program that the Green Climate Fund through the University of the West Indies had implemented. Through this fellowship program, I saw the importance of climate leadership and the importance of environment and climate change and health.
Hosting the first Heat Threshold Development Symposium in Grenada, where I brought Grenadians together to discuss what are the feasible adaptation measures that Grenadians should take to protect themselves from heat stress. And so we are hoping they would make the necessary behavioral practices or actions to minimize the effects of heat stress on their health. One of my deliverables in this fellowship was to provide fans to some elderly homes in Grenada, and so they were very happy and elated just to relieve a simple standing fan just to provide some cool air. I do believe persons in Grenada are aware of the effects of heat stress. However, my aim with this project for Grenada is for persons to be able to connect the dots. Not only that it's just a hot day, but it's hot, and what are some of the measures I need to do to protect myself? How do I need to change my daily routine? And so these are some of the discussions that were brought to the table. So one of the outputs or deliverables from this symposium was to draft a policy brief for Grenada. And so that is just to inspire national action or national response for Grenada in terms of what are some of the policies that should be in place to protect these vulnerable groups, for example, your elderly persons.
My approach is to teach students from a very young age of the importance of climate change itself. It allows these students to, have this mindset going out there that they're the voices of the future.
We think a lot about climate change and how it can affect our daily lives and how it can affect us.
We need to be more aware of it, as it can help damage our ecosystems.
Actually take into consideration climate change and try to make better decisions.
To now have students who are coming to you with ideas, different approaches, community-based approaches that they want to see when it comes to making a change has really been the main takeaway from this project. Everybody has a responsibility to protect our planet and to ensure health is also protected in that process.
The hope is that people, the population, would take it seriously and actually inspire some behavioral changes.